Construction working is getting reliant on power-based tools in a massive amount. Besides, the large floodlights are unable to turn on without having high voltage AC at night. That's why the use of power generators has been a sensational matter in job sites. In this video, we will point out the 7 best job site generators that can provide you break-free electricity at a lower fuel consumption rate. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
The Honda EB6500, a gas power generator which has been used for a decade for its never-ending usefulness. This is a large-sized generator having features that were ahead of its time. This generator is vastly popular in high-rise construction sites, also film sets or any kind of temporary events, because it is equipped with a powerful 389 cubic centimeter Honda IGX commercial engine, keeping their reputation of industrial series to power up all sorts of equipment. Let's hover on the specs. This generator has a 6.2 gallon tank capacity and can produce 5500 watts of electricity at 120 or 240 volts, having 6 outlets for easy connection of multiple tools. On a full load, you'll get 6.4 hours of runtime. Besides, it's easier to move around with it at job sites because of its folding handles and large wheel kit. This generator is quite silent, having a spatial muffler to reduce noise, and on a low oil level, it will shut down itself to save the engine from getting fried. Also equipped with IAVR technology, this generator can provide stable flow of voltage that'll keep your machine safe. Overall, if you're looking for a generator with a familiar engine system from past generations, then the Honda EB6500 can be your choice. Next on the list, the Pulsar PG10000, a power generator for heavy-duty works on your job sites. If you have one generator and multiple tools, feel free to get them all on with this beast. It is a 4-stroke 420 cubic centimeter safe engine generator with a single cylinder, and the 15 horsepower engine is also air-cooled, but is also protected by a heavy-duty powder-coated frame. Coming in a capacity of 10,000 peak watts and 8,000 running watts, it's more than enough for powering major appliances. Also, it gives you a faster starting with a convenient electric push start with recoil backup just like a bike, which makes operation quick and simple. Besides the starter, it has an 8-gallon tank to give you 12 hours of operation at half load. Equipped with a bunch of outlets, this generator reduces the usage of extension cords and adapters, because it has 4 120 volt, 1 12 volt, 1 120 volt and 240 volt 2-slot, 130 amp RV port and 150 amp outlet to fit all your needs side by side. So, with inbuilt oil indicator, auto voltage regulator, and non-flat wheels, the Pulsar PG10000 is the best generator for usability. Now, if you're a fan of DeWalt's tools, the DeWalt DXGNR7000 can be the pick for you. With a very simple and ergonomic design, this generator can produce the same amount of current like other huge generators. Powered by a premium electric start engine, it is designed for the professionals. For that, it features a 420 cubic centimeter engine with low oil auto shutoff function to protect from damage. With a 7.5 gallons of fuel tank, this engine can have 11 hours of runtime with 50% load. Furthermore, an idle control function conserves fuel and reduces noise while producing 8,750 starting watts and 7,000 running watts. Also, to make the work plan effective, a smart runtime meter shows fuel level and time remaining at current power level. This generator is designed with rugged case and outlet protection to work in variable conditions. Speaking of outlets, it has 4 120 volt outlets to power on the major tools directly from them. Overall, with equipped non-flat wheel, live wattage meters, and battery-powered started motor, the DeWalt DXGNR7000 is a super friendly gas generator for you. Up next, the Durastar DS10000EH, a dual-fuel hybrid power generator to serve you anytime. This generator runs on either gasoline or liquid propane, giving you the advantage of choosing fuel. Powered by a Durastar 439 cubic centimeter OHV engine, this generator can take a heavy load of tools for multiple jobs. Its idle control system lowers the RPMs of the generator when not in use, saving fuel and reducing noise. From the engine, the generator can provide 10,000 starting watts and 8,000 running watts, which is enough to power on any grinding machine or air conditioners. With the help of MX2 technology, you can choose between 120 volt and 240 volts simultaneously, or at 120 volt only with full power depending on the place you're using it at. Also, you will get options for 30 amp and 50 amp at 240 volts of power. As all professional grade generators, this is also portable with non-flight wheels attached to it. Besides for its EPA and CARB certification, a dual fuel functionality and home-friendly usage, the Durastar DS10000 can be a value for your multi-purpose works. As the list gets longer, the more powerful generators are coming, just like the Generac Xp1500EH, a massive in a very compact look. Equipped with an electric battery storage system, this powerful generator runs through a 992 cubic centimeter OHVI engine. It conducts a full pressure lubrication from a 16 gallons fuel tank and an automotive oil filter that gives it a longer lifespan. Additionally, it has got idle control and low oil shutdown feature to save itself from damage. Also, the idle control reduces noise you'll get from it. A 1x4-inch hardened steel cradle ensures the durability of this generator after producing 17,500 watts of power frequently. With this much wattage, it can run up to 10 hours of period at 50% load. Finally, this generator is an ideal option for using in construction sites and at home. With a snap of the finger, your 5-ton air conditioner will be on go by the beast. Comparing the size to power ratio, the Generac Xp1500EH can be your valuable powerhouse in work and emergency time. If performance and compatibility is your preference, buy this DuroMax Xp1500EH for a ravishing service. And for other details, this is the best dual fuel power generator. Coming with DuroMax's next generation power system, this generator starts up using an electric start just like your car. In case of battery failure, you'll get an optional recoil start to stay out of mess. This powerhouse generator is powered by a 713cc V-twin engine. With its magnificent strength, this engine can supply 15,000 starting watts and 12,000 running watts simultaneously. Through multiple 120 volt and 240 volt power outlets, this generator is able to complete your all general needs. To keep track of the unleashing power, it has voltmeter, circuit breaker, and low oil indicator. Having an MX2 RV switch, you can get maximum power from each 120 volt receptacle. And you can use all the features anywhere using the enormous handle grip and solid wheel tires like the carriage of a car. So for a robust V-twin engine along with less noisy and high performance form factor, this DuroMax Xp1500EH is the best dual fuel power generator. And finally, our top pick, the Westinghouse WGen7500DF, a small yet most efficient power generator in its lineup to back you up. Let's browse the specs to know why it's better. For mostly, this is a dual fuel generator which can provide 7,500 running watts and 9,500 peak watts using gasoline and 6,750 rated watts and 8,550 peak watts by using propane. And it has a 6.6 gallon tank to contain the fuel. Then it has an electric push button to start up its 420 cubic centimeter 4-stroke OHV engine, which is equipped with auto shutdown and low fuel level meter to give you precise prediction of the runtime so that you can be safe during a longer power outage in critical condition. After the engine, the generator features two GFCI 120 volt household duplex outlets and 120 volt and 240 volt 30 ampere twist-lock outlet. To charge your low-end devices, you'll find an included 5 volt DC port. Like a Christmas gift, the generator comes with a remote start key fob, 12 volt battery charger, oil and oil funnel, a toolkit, and a user's manual to get you started right out of the box. So now you know that for dozens of items in a small package, the Westinghouse Xp1500EH is the overall best power generator that you can buy for your home and job sites. So that was our 7 best job site generators that can serve your major purposes even after having a compact infrastructure.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.